Okay, I'm going to do a quick tutorial here on deleting and adding pictures to a gallery. And I've got an email here about the homepage gallery changes. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm logged into the site. And as you can see, I have my main menu here on the left. And I'm going to scroll down here to where we have our galleries. And homepage gallery is here under our not linked section. So I'm going to click on homepage gallery. And as you can see, it's going to open up thumbnails of all of the pictures. And it's actually going to open that up in a larger window here to our right as well. So I'm just going to show you for a quick demonstration a few of these, and then I'll wrap up the video and continue the process. But to simply delete any pictures that you no longer want to appear in the gallery, we're just going to hover over the picture. And as you'll see, you get three icons. You get the settings for the photo. You get the pencil, which is your opportunity to edit the photo. Very, very basic photo editor in Squarespace, but nonetheless, that's what the pencil is for. And then your last icon is the trash can. And you'll see when I click the trash can, I'm going to get a confirmation. Are you sure you wish to remove this image? And I'm going to click confirm, and that picture is gone. And as you can see, it will go ahead and rearrange the pictures, just moving each of them up one slot. So again, I'm just going to hover over and hit the trash can, and I'm just going to do that on all of the pictures that I want to take out. So I'll just do a couple of them here, and then I'm going to pause this video, and I'll come back and show you how to add photos. Okay, so now if we want to add a new photo, that's just as easy as well. So I'm going to click back on my pages here and go back into the gallery. And now you can see some of those photos that we had in there are gone, but we want to add a new photo. And I'm just going to simply click on the arrow here in the next empty slot. I'm going to click the arrow, and what that's going to do is it's going to open your computer finder window. Now I'm on a Mac, so my window may look a little differently than yours, but essentially you would navigate over to the folder where you house all of your photos. In this case, just for the sake of example, I'm just going to pop in a stock photo. I'm going to come up here and click on baseball. And when I click on baseball, I can see a preview of my picture, and I'm just going to say open. And just as simple as that, it's going to pop in that baseball picture into this particular gallery. And it's going to update the gallery block on its own. It can take a minute depending on the size of the photo. You can also, of course, rearrange the order of the photos very simply. So if I want to, say if I wanted this parachute picture to be the first one in the gallery, I would hover over it. Again, you see that pop-up menu, but you see the four-way arrow. When you see the four-way arrow, just hold down on your left mouse button and drag, and you can reorder the photo to be wherever you want in the gallery. There's no save option here. So when you're done with your deleting and adding photos, you just click back up here to go back to your list of pages. And as you can see in our preview here, we moved that parachute picture here to the second photo, and it is there. And if I scroll, if we go back to the home page, when we come down to the gallery, we've got quite a few pictures in here. Let me go backwards to show you that the last picture I added here was that baseball picture, and you can see it went ahead and made that adjustment. So that is how easy it is to add or delete pictures from a gallery. All of your galleries work the same way, and you'll find them here under the not linked section, and I've named them accordingly: sponsors, facility, parties and events, taekwondo, and so all of them would use a very similar process.